in our life that we need to fight. Have you fight every day? Fight for anything?
Ask your boss
Give you more money to increase your salary, monthly income. Yeah, that's it. You fight every day. How many years been fighting for? You know, she's saying that she kept fighting, for the salary with the boss. I think the boss must be very happy about it, right? Or very sad about it. But this is something we're fighting for, but it's also need courage. Okay, think about it. There's one more thing. Okay, there's one situation here, especially when I ask students in classroom. I said, if there's a final exam test, and no professor or teacher will come into the room monitoring what you're writing about, and are you going to cheat or not?
Depends.
You know how many students will say? I asked them, if you don't want to, depends. Okay, depends on what?
Depends if I can, I'm able to do it on myself.
Okay, then let's read this. Okay, let me read the situation first. Okay, as a student, you have doing poorly in a course. And the final exam is very critical to you because it's your last chance to pass the course. But the exam is very tough, and you have so many other courses to study for. Your friends say they are going to cheat. Your friend say, we are going to cheat. We are ready. We prepare for it. Okay, now we are ready to cheat anyway. Then your friends say, okay, they are going to cheat. If you fail the course, you have to retake the course again, and then now you are maybe a senior. Okay. And of course, you have to examine why you failed to angry parents. What will you do? Usually, I don't think American or Western people will really care about their parents' reaction. But in this culture, really, they care about what the parents say. But what will you do in this situation? If you are you have 49 students classroom, they are about to cheat. Then you are only one saying, no, I definitely. Here in this room will say, I don't want to cheat in the exam. Right? Okay. What kind of idea or concept in your mind, the power that supports you not going to do that? The courage. That means for the courage, you do. What kind of courage is that?
It's more not. How to say it? It's a smart thing to do, not to cheat. Cheating, you go forward, but it gets harder if you move forward. If you didn't build up your foundation, you're just lying to yourself, and you'll get more trouble afterwards.
Kind of the vicious circle, the kind of cycle, kind of going again. But when in the classroom, I ask students, how many of you you're not going to cheat in classroom? You know, can you guess like how many students raise their hands and they don't? They said, I won't cheat. There are 50 students in the classroom.
Like everybody would say, I will not cheat, of course. I will not cheat.
No, there's 2 students in the classroom only say I won't cheat. And I asked the rest of the 48 students, why are you going to cheat? He said, why not? Do you think there's something, if you're a teacher, what you're going to say next? But at least they kind of one thing. If they say they cheat, right? But at least they're honest to you. They are going to cheat. So are they cheating or they are honest to you? You just kind of feel confused. Well, they really honestly, I'm going to cheat, but they tell you the truth. But lying is something is equal to cheat. So as a teacher, are you happy about their response? As a teacher, are you happy about their response?
Hard to
So there's something really in our mind, in our life, kind of confuse people. If they don't know what is the value, that's just Andy was saying. If they don't have something really in their heart, in their mind, they believe something is really true, then they will go into that kind of circle again. And they don't, everybody doing so. Everybody dressed that way. Okay, everybody dressed that way. Why you don't dress that way? Like the hip hop culture. I saw the student in a men's room. I kind of adjust his the pants and under where kind of height is here or the underwear should go up here. It kind of taking like 5 minutes to adjust that. So I'm just curious about why do you think you need to? Why the people would dress that? Then people feel, yeah, okay, yeah, that's kind of hip hop culture, right? But I just ask the lady, say, will you dress Chinese 的旗袍去上课 if you're a student？ 你会不会穿旗袍去上课 ？if you 旗袍的英文是什么？Traditional Chinese dress to classroom as a student.
Why?
Cool.
The school didn't say no. Yeah, any college or university say no that if you dress Chinese traditional dress to classroom, would the professor say no? Will you dress that to classroom? But why they allow that kind of a hip hop culture dress? That's also okay. That's acceptable. There's no rule saying which one is correct, which one is wrong. I'm not saying that's wrong or right, but there's something. It's kind of value. Oh, am I done? Okay. Alright, so this is the situation. What people here definitely, I think you will say no to the question. But would you say, how about other people? They face that kind of situation. Would they, they're willing to cheat?
Why are they?
Your friends, your classmates, people sitting next to you. Do you think they would do the cheating thing? Do you believe that people would do that?
It's easier.
It's easier. So so when you cheat, do you need the courage? Yeah, you find it really confused here. You find we need courage every time, everywhere, even doing bad things. Okay, so here we kind of find out about the other word, discourage. What kind of discourage happen? And you say you need to encourage people, like many people say, well, as a teacher now, you need to inspire your students. You have to encourage them to be good and to discipline themselves. And then sometimes we'll find our life feel of frustration. That means something discourage you, right? Have you seen? Have you seen a 3-year-old when a group of people, like kids, coming together? If they're 3-year-old, are they easy to get along with each other? Well, to know each other, to play together. Do they need to have a name card? Say, hello, I'm Andy's son. I'm 3-year-old. Nice to meet you. And John's son, I'm 2-year-old. Nice to meet you. They don't have name card, but how can they get along with each other so well? That means they don't have that much discourage. When you're getting older, you've been socialized and been learning so many rules that you should follow, and then you were told that, okay, you should not do this, you should not do that, and I will find out because you're scared. You get scared. You're discouraged, you will feel scared, and you will follow something not in your plan, and because of fear, because of dismay, because of sad, because of run. You want to run away. When the discourage happen, usually people will do this thing. But when how soon? When do you find out yourself that you want to run away things when you feel kind of sad or frustrated? When you don't want to face it? It's 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old? Or since you were born and that happened? And there's something happened here. Why people stop us from? I mean, everybody know that. Yeah, you shouldn't cheat. You shouldn't cheat. You should be doing things correct, not doing things the bad thing. So what will stop people from choosing the right way? Everybody know that you should not cheat in the classroom. You should not cheat in the exam. But what's stopping people from choosing the right way? Guess. 5 points. Peer pressure. Hurts. Because you won't want to be hurt. Right? Pressure is kind of hurt. No, not really hurt, but it's kind of pressure. Okay. And bad past experiences. You have some bad experience, so you don't want to choose. You know that word. Yeah, you know. If you don't cheat, you're going to fail the class. You're going to retake it. You're going to spend $1,000 again. And you're going to be blamed by your mom and your parents. So that bad experience, so that stops people from choosing the right way. Okay. Another one is painful memories. Okay, same thing. There's something bad happened in the past, and also unwanted effects. That's basically we know that is correct, but people won't choose it. Have you anything? Okay. Thank you for your. I can stop anytime. If the time is up, just let me know. I can stop anytime. Usually we'll stop at 4 o'clock, right? Yeah, I have 10 more minutes. So, but since it doesn't work quite well, so I will just keep going. Then we ask some those questions. So, how easy that people not choosing to choose the right way, especially. If you're a student, you might say something that you think you need courage to change. A student, who's student here? Who's student can student get? Okay, student. Hey Jeff, Carrie kind of nervous. I already asked Carrie already. Jeff, Jeff, do you think what is the most challenging thing, or that student kind of afraid of? Yeah, being failed, just failed the class, or failed the course, or have been failed by. And what they're afraid of, and if they fail, what's going to happen? Study again. Is that a bad thing? Is that not good? It's not good. Didn't as the people. According to Jeff, what Jeff said, do you believe that it's not good to retake the class again? 重修不好吗？可以讲中文。看个人哦 ，it depends on what。看个人什么？钱够不够多呀？重修 yeah，if you retake the class， because I want to graduate from the school, so I definitely. You think about some results that. Do you think? So, 如果你一直作弊，cheating those 4 years, and you got a diploma, you got a degree, or a master's degree, or a bachelor degree, are you happy about it? I'm really happy. I'm cheating 4 years, and I got a cheating diploma for a department of no, just kidding. Okay. No need to dip. Yeah, okay. What? Is not working? Okay. Ran out of memory. Ran out of battery. Yeah.
No. There it is.
Oh, okay. 好。
No.
有吗？好。I should get it done in 8 minutes. If we don't start at the right time, yeah, I have to. Okay, let's move quickly and to talk about. Okay, if that is something we believe that courage is important, and we also believe that courage is important. But how easy that we go? You don't have courage. How easy would it? Or how hard to have courage? To have courage in your life. Have you ever think some idea or a situation that really stop you from choosing the right way? Not from you, from your friends choosing the right way.
Maybe because not want to take up the responsibilities.
Don't let children run away. They don't want to take up this responsibility. So,
Consequences of doing right.
so is that their problems here? Yeah. Oh. Okay. This is the Bible is saying. Especially for Christian. In the Bible, I really like this sentence. This word, this scripture. Where we starting from? This already. Okay, I'll start doing this myself. Okay, there are 4 or 5. Okay, this is basically that was stopping us from the right way. But how easy to forget hurts? How easy to forget the past? Because when I ask how easy to have courage, we also need to ask us how easy to forget those hurts, especially people. Okay, let's take marriage as example. Okay, people just again. Okay, if you say that people, do you know why young